Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite engineer Wang to show you guys how to perform manual measurement on EPS board thickness for the C-type EPS cutting machine after automatic wire setting. Because we are using copper rod type EPS cutting machine, the thread pitch of the copper wire is 1 mm. Therefore, after the automatic wire setting is completed, we cannot guarantee that the cutting wire is exactly hanging in the center of the thread pitch. If the cutting wire hanging at the top or bottom of the thread pitch, there may cause slight dimension mistake. Therefore, before cutting the EPS block, manual measurement of the cutting wire thickness on both sides is requested to ensure that the EPS cutting board size is correct. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.